Avalanche coin Avax becomes the overwhelming focus with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing verification of work and evidence of stake for fast Jabber and adaptable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the unique universe of decentralized Jabber. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Avalanche Jabber will go from now on, we will investigate the Jibber costs of Avalanche Avax and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Jibber, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, Jibber, something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. Be that as it may, we will make an Jabber effort. We should begin. Avalanche Value Expectation Number Jibber. Our Avax Expectation Number Cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine an immense range of variables, from Jabber value information to showcase feeling, to give a complete forecast of Avalanche. Basically, input your ideal time span and see the Jibber anticipated worth of Avalanche. Our mini computer will create a FAR Jibber rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. Select Jibber year. Jibber past value ointment. As per the most recent information accumulated, the Jabber cost of Avalanche is $28.58 and Avax is at present positioned #12 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Avalanche is 406,598,018 with a market cap of $11,619,300 Jibber $3,650. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.77 Jabber in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market Jabber is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and Jibber by 6.54%. Avalanche has shown areas of Jibber for extremely recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Jibber Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 27 Jibber 91 cents in 2024. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $29.97 with the typical cost of $28.92 all through 2024. Avalanche Value Figure October 2024. The normal cost of Avalanche Avax could go to 26 Jibber 74 cents toward the finish of October 2024. Avax could be exchanging around a most Jibber worth of $27.51 with a base expected cost of $24.20. Avalanche Avax Value Conjecture November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Avalanche is Jibber to arrive at a typical cost of $27.81, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $28.58 and at least $26.54. Avax Value Gauge December 2024. The Avalanche conjecture for December 2024 Jibber that the Avax might arrive at a most extreme worth of $29.97 with a base cost of around $27.91. Discussing the typical value Avax can stretch around $28 Jibber 2 cents for December. Avalanche Value Jibber 2025. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is freedom to reach at the very least degree of Jabber $46. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $48.94 with a typical exchanging cost of Jibber $1.62. Avalanche Value Jibber 2026. Jibber cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $57.23 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme Jabber degree of $68.34 with a typical conjecture cost of $59.31. Avalanche Value Jibber 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of Jibber $3.22 in 2027. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $99.57 with a Jibber exchanging cost of $86.18 all through 2027. Avalanche Value Jibber 2028. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $124 Jibber cents in 2028. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $145.04 with the typical cost of $128.91 all through 2028. Jibber Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jibber, In 2029, the cost of Avalanche is estimated to be at around a base worth of $177.25. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a gibber of $214.78, with a typical exchanging worth of $183.69 in USD. Avalanche value forecast 20 gibber. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2030 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 262 jabber 13 cents. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $311.16, with a typical exchanging cost of 200 gibber $9.48. Avalanche value gibber 2031. Avalanche cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $376.94 in 20 gibber 1. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 442 jabber 14 cents, with a typical estimate cost of $387.72. Avalanche value gibber 2032. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $566.30 gibber in 2032. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $653.94 gibber, with a typical exchanging cost of $585.68 all through 2032. Avalanche value figure 20 gibber. The reception and genuine use instances of a cryptographic money are gibber indispensable contemplations. Projects with gibber applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Avalanche cost conjecture for 2040, Avax is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of jabber $1,979 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of gibber coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $13,308, while the typical cost of the gibber for 2040 is projected to be $14,517. Gibber value conjecture for 2050. Looking at verifiable execution gives setting, yet it is essential to jabber that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at least value worth of $19,546 jabber. The Avax cost can arrive at a gibber value worth of $23,104, with a typical worth of $20,729. What is the eventual fate of gibber? The fate of gibber is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With gibber to putting resources into Avax, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gibber profile. Gibber, still a superb speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, ointment jabber offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What is the gibber cost today? Today, Avalanche Avax is exchanging at $28.58 with the market cap of $11,619,300 gibber $3,650. What